Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a fascinating journey back to a time when typing felt more deliberate, yet with a modern twist that makes it incredibly relevant even today. We're diving into the world of the Brother AX-10 portable electronic typewriter, a machine that beautifully bridges the gap between classic tactile typing and contemporary convenience. For anyone who appreciates the focused experience of putting words to paper without the endless distractions of a computer screen, the AX-10 presents itself as a compelling option. Its portability is a standout feature, making it an ideal companion for students heading to the library, writers seeking a quiet corner in a coffee shop, or anyone who simply wants to escape the digital noise and concentrate purely on their thoughts. It's lightweight enough to carry with ease, ensuring your creative workspace can be wherever inspiration strikes. Now, what truly sets the Brother AX-10 apart from its purely mechanical ancestors are its electronic capabilities. This isn't just a clunky old machine. It's equipped with features designed to make your typing experience smoother and more efficient. One of the most significant advantages is its auto character and word correction. Imagine typing away, fully immersed in your flow, and knowing that minor typos can be effortlessly rectified. This feature is a game changer, significantly reducing the frustration of errors and saving valuable time that would otherwise be spent retyping or using correction fluid. It allows for a more continuous and less interrupted creative process, letting you focus on the content rather than the mechanics of getting it right the first time. Beyond error correction, the AX-10 also boasts a dual pitch function. For those unfamiliar, this means the typewriter can adjust the spacing between characters, offering different font sizes or styles. This versatility is incredibly useful, whether you're drafting a formal letter that requires a precise, compact look, or working on a creative piece where a more open, readable pitch might be preferred. It adds a layer of professionalism and customization to your documents that you might not expect from a portable typewriter, allowing users to tailor their output to specific needs and preferences. The tactile feedback of the keys, combined with the satisfying sound of the printhead, creates an immersive typing experience that digital keyboards often fail to replicate. It encourages a more thoughtful approach to writing, fostering a sense of accomplishment with each page completed. The Brother AX-10 isn't just a tool. It's an invitation to rediscover the joy of focused creation, offering a unique blend of vintage charm and practical electronic enhancements. It's perfect for anyone looking to minimize distractions, improve their typing discipline, or simply enjoy the unique satisfaction of a physical printout. This machine truly offers a distinctive way to engage with your writing, making it a valuable asset for a wide range of users.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.